So good morning everyone. So in last class we have discussed example 5. So now we are starting example 6. So what is example 6? The length of a rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17 meters. So if the perimeter of a park is 178 meters, find the dimensions of the park. So they are talking about length here. So what is length here? Length of a rectangle shaped park exceeds its breadth by 17. So the length value is 17 more than breadth value. So here breadth, they didn't give any information about breadth, so we are taking it as x. And total perimeter value they have given as 178. So we have to find the length value and breadth value now. So here they have given the length value as, they didn't give any information about breadth, so I am taking it as x. And about the length, they told that length is 17 meters more than its breadth. That is, we can write as x plus 17 meters. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter they have given as, perimeter they have given as 178 meters. Okay, so what we have to find now? We have to find the perimeter of a rectangular park. Perimeter of a rectangle's formula is what? So perimeter of a rectangle is equals to two into L plus B. So here 2 is a constant value, length value is x plus 17 and breadth value we are having as x. So just we have to substitute in this. So perimeter of a rectangle is what? 178. So I am substituting in place of perimeter as 178 meters equals to 2 into L plus B. So sorry, L value is x plus 17 plus breadth value is x. Now 178 meters is equals to 2 into x plus x is 2x plus 17. Now multiply with each other. So that will be 178 meters is equals to 2 2s is 4x plus 2 17s is 34. Now we can transpose this 34 to other side, that will become subtraction because it is an addition value. So 4x is equals to 178 minus 34. So if you subtract 178 with 34, that will be equals to 144. So 4x is equals to 144. Transpose is 4 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 144 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s is 12, 2 will be remaining, 4 6s is 24. So what is the x value here? X is 36. So what is x? X is nothing but the breadth value. So we got the breadth value as 36. And now we have to find the length value. So what is length here? X plus 17. So in place of x you substitute 36 now. So length is equals to x plus 17, that will be equals to 36 plus 17. So what is 36 plus 17? That will be equals to 53 meters. So we got the breadth value as 36 meters and the length value as 53 meters. So this is our sixth solution. Next is seventh one. Example 7. So what is example 7? Two supplementary angles differ by 34. So supplementary means is nothing but sum of two angles. If you are adding any two angles, that should be equals to 180. Okay, so two supplementary angles differ by 34. So they are, if you take the difference of two supplementary angles, the difference is 34 it seems. So find the angles. So what we have to find? We have to find the angles here. So I am taking the supplementary angles as x and other will be x plus 34. So let the angles be x and x plus 34. And if you subtract this, how much, what is the difference here? 34. So I am taking it as x and x plus 34. And what do you mean by supplementary angles? Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles. So if you add these two angles, that will be equals to 180. So by problem we can write sum of two supplementary angles, that is x plus 34 is equals to 180 degrees. So x plus x is how much? 2x, plus if you transpose this 34 to other side, that will become subtraction. Directly I am writing here, that is 180 minus 34. So what is 180 minus 34? That will be 146. So 2x is equals to 146 degrees. So if you transpose this 2 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 146 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are is 14. 2 3s are is 6. So what is the x value here? 36. So first angle is 36. Now we 73. So we have to find other angle now. So here first angle we got it as 73, and the second angle we have to find now. What is the second angle? X plus 34. So x value is 73 plus 34, that will be equals to 107 degrees. So what is the second angle? Second angle is 107 and the first angle is 73. So if you add these two, that will be equals to 180. That will become the supplementary angles. Okay, so this is our 7th solution. Next is 8th example. So next is 8th example. So what is 8th question? The present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times of present age of Vijaya. So what is the age of Vijaya's mother? That is 4 times of Vijaya it seems. After 6 years, the sum of the ages will be 62. After 6 years, if you are adding both the ages of mother and son, mother and daughter, it will be equals to 62. So find the present age. So what we have to find? We have to find the present age here. So first we will write the present age, information about present age. So present age of Vijaya is how much? We don't know, we are taking it as x. But they gave information about Vijaya's mother. So present age of Vijaya's mother. What they told? Present age of Vijaya's mother is 4 times present of Vijaya. 4 times of Vijaya means 4 into x, that will be equals to 4x. Now they told after 6 years. So what is the age after 6 years? We have to find now. After 6 years, what will be ages here? Vijaya age will be x plus 6 and Vijaya's mother age will be 4x plus 6. Okay, so what is the next equation? After 6 years, the sum of the ages will be 62. So we have to compare these two. If you add these two, that will be equals to 62 it seems. So it will be x plus 6 plus 4x plus 6 is equals to 62. So x plus 4x will be 5x plus 6 plus 6 will be 12 is equals to 62. So transpose is 12 to other side, that will become subtraction. So 5x is equals to 62 minus 12. So 5x is equals to how much it will be? It will be equals to 50. So transpose 5 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 50 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 tens are. So x is equals to 10. So what is the x value? X value is 10. So x is nothing but Vijaya's value. So present age age of Vijaya is how much? 10 years. And now we have to find the present age of Vijaya's mother. So present age of Vijaya's mother. How much it will be? 4x. That is 4 into 10. That will be equals to 40 years. So here the present age of Vijaya is 10 and the present age of Vijaya's mother is 40. So this is our 8th solution. 8th example. Next is 9th one. Example 9. So what is example 9? Question is, there are 90 multiple choice questions in a test. So total number of questions are 90. 2 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 1 mark is deducted for every wrong answer. So for every correct answer they are allotting 2 marks, and if it is a wrong answer they are deducting 1 mark from that. If Sahana got 60 marks in a test while she answered all the questions, then how many questions did she answer correctly? So how many questions she has answered correctly we have to find. And what is the total weight of Sohana? That is total marks of Sohana, that is 60 marks. So here what is the total number of questions? Total number of questions are questions are 60. Okay, so in that 2 marks are giving for correct answer and 1 mark they are deducting 1 mark for wrong answer. So marks allotted for correct answers is 2 marks. CA is nothing but correct answer, and marks allotted for incorrect answer is -1. So for every incorrect answer they are deducting -1 mark. So how many questions, how many correct answers she wrote and how many incorrect answers she wrote, we don't know. So we are taking the correct answers as X. And incorrect answers I am taking in the form of 60 minus, total number of questions are 90 here. That is 90 minus X. So correct answers I am taking in the form of X and incorrect answers I am taking in the form of 90 minus X. So how many marks they have allotted for this we have to find now. For 1 correct answer 1 mark, for 2 correct answers 2 marks. So for X correct answers will be 2X. So marks for correct answers will be 2X marks, and marks for incorrect, for every incorrect answer they have decreased -1 mark. They have decreased 1 mark. So for marks for incorrect answer will be -1 into 90 minus X. Okay, so if you multiply this will be -90 plus X. So this is for incorrect marks and this is correct marks. And what is the total marks she got? Total score of Suhana is how much? 60 marks. She got the total as 60. That means correct answers, incorrect answers, if you add, she got it as 60. So it will be 2X plus correct answers plus incorrect answers is how many? -90 plus X will be equals to how many marks? 60 marks. Just solve this now. So 2X plus into minus -90 plus into plus is plus X is equals to 60. 2X plus X will be equals to 3X minus 90 is equals to 60. Transpose 90 to other side, that will become addition. It is in the form of minus, so it will be in the form of addition. So 3x is equals to 60 plus 90. 60 plus 90 is how much? 150. So transpose this 3 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 150 by 3. 3 ones are 350s are. So what is the x value here? X is nothing but correct answers. X is nothing but correct answers. So how many correct answers she wrote? Correct answers is equals to 50. Now we have to find how many incorrect answers she wrote. So how many she wrote incorrectly? So it will be minus 90 plus x. So incorrect answers is equals to minus 90 90 minus x. So 90 minus 50, that will be equals to how much? 40. So number of incorrect answers are 40 and correct answer she wrote as 50. So next is 10th one. Example 10. So here Ravi works as a cashier in the bank. He has currency of denominations 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of number of notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Ravi is 4 lakhs. So how many notes of cash of each denomination does he has? We have to find. So here he is working as a cashier. He is having the denomination of rupees as 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. And the ratio is in the form of 2:3:5. So and what is the total cash here? Total cash is 4 lakhs. So how many 100 rupees notes and how many 50 rupees notes and how many 10 rupees notes are there? They have given in the form of ratio. So that ratio we have to write here first. So number of 100 rupees notes. So I am taking it as 2x because the ratio of 100 is 2. So the answer will be in the form of 2 terms, 2 multiples. And number of 50 rupees notes, that is 3 ratio. So I am taking it as 3x. And number of 10 rupees notes, so that will be how much? 2:3:5 means it will be 5x. Okay. So now what is the total amount here? Total amount is 4 lakhs rupees. So what is the total amount? 4 lakhs. Total amount is equals to 4 lakhs rupees. So these all are in the form of rupees and that is also in the form of rupees. Sorry, these are the number of notes. Now we have to convert this into rupees. So amount of 100 rupees. So notes. So what is the amount for the 100 rupees notes? It will be for 100 rupee note, it will be 100 rupees. For if you are having 200 rupees notes, it will be 200 rupees. In the same way, they are having 2x number of 100 rupees notes. So it will be 2x into 100 rupees. In the same way, for 150 rupees note, it will be 50 rupees. If you are having 250 rupees notes, it will be 100. So what we have to write now? We have to write in the form of 3x into 50 rupees. And this will be 5x into 10 rupees. So these all are rupees and this is also rupees. Now we can convert that. We can add. If you add these all rupees, that should be equals to 4 lakhs. So it is 2x into 100 plus 3x into 50 plus 5x into 10 will be equals to how much? 4 lakhs. Now we can multiply here. 2x into 100 will be 200x plus 3x into 50 will be equals to 150x plus 5x into 10 will be 50x will be equals to 4 lakhs rupees. So 2 plus 150 is 350, 350 plus 50 will be 450. 450x is equals to 4 lakhs. Transpose is 400 to other side. So x will be equals to 4 lakhs divided by 400. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So what is the x value? 4000. That means number of 100 rupees notes are how many? So 400 in 4000 into 2 we have to do. So number of 100 rupees notes is how much? 2 into 4000. That will be equals to 8000. Okay, so now how many 100 rupees notes are there total? Sorry, 4 times 4000 times. So here x value we got as 1000. So 4 into 1000, 2 into 1000 will be equals to 2000. So how many 100 rupees notes are there? 2000 notes are there. So number of 50 rupees notes are how many? That is 3x. So 3 into 1000, that will be equals to 3000. And we have to find how many 10 rupees notes are there. So number of 10 rupees notes are how many? That is 5x. So 5 into 1000, that will be equals to 5000 rupees. So here number of 100 rupees notes are 2000, number of 50 rupees notes are 3000 and number of 10 rupees notes are how many? That is 50,000. So this is our 10th solution. 10th example problem. Next is solve 5 into x plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 4x is equals to 3 into x plus 5 minus 4 into 4 minus x. Okay, so now we have to solve this. We have to find the x value here. So how to find the x value? First multiply each and every term with each other. 5 into x is 5x plus 5 2s is 10 minus 2 3s is 6 minus into minus is plus 2 4s is 8x will be equals to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 5s is 15 minus 4 4s is 16 minus into minus will be plus 4 into x will be 4x. So if you take this, first you solve the LHS part. 8 plus 5 will be 13x plus 10 minus 6 will be 4. So you got as 13x plus 4. Now that side you will solve. That is 3x plus 4x will be 7x and 15 minus 16 will be minus 1. Now bring all the variables to one side and all the constants to other side. All the constant values to other side. So I am bringing this to this side. I am taking plus 4 to other side. So it will become 13x minus 7x will be equals to minus 1 minus 4. So 13 minus 7 is how much? 13 minus 7 will be 6x is equals to minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5. Transpose 6 to other side. So x will be minus 5 by 6. So what is the x value? X value we got as minus 5 by 6. So this is our next example. Next one. So they have given one figure. parallel lines, transversal. This is 5x and this is 2x plus 24. C, G, D, M, H. This is F, A, E, and this is B. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find the x value. So if you see this, these two are parallel lines and this is a transversal, and what we call these two type of these angles, we call it as corresponding angles. So we know that the corresponding angles will be equal. So here by figure we can write 5x is equals to 2x plus 24 because they are corresponding angles. So always the corresponding angles will be equal. So transpose the values here, 2x and to other side, that will become minus 2x. So 5x minus 2x is equals to 24. 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3x will be equals to 24. Transpose this 3 to other side, that will become division. So x is equals to 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are. So what is the x? 3 8s are. So what is the x value? X value is 8 degrees. So we got the x value as 8 here. Next example. So next is Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damini. So here Hema is 24 years older than daughter Damini. 6 years ago Hema was thrice as old as Damini. So find the present age. So here first present age we will write. So present age of Damini is present of age of Damini, I am taking it as x. And about Hema, what they told, Hema is 24 years older than Damini. 24 years older means more. So present age of Hema is how much? It is x plus 24. Now they are talking about 6 years later. So after 6 years. So what will be the ages here? Damini age will be x plus 6 years and Hema age will be x plus 24 plus 6 years. So it will be x plus 30 years. And what they told here? Hema was thrice as older than Damini. So if you take this, find the present ages. So what will be the present ages here? So here it will be six years ago, not after. This is before 6 years. Before means here it will be minus. Here also it will be minus. So 24 minus 6 will be equals to 18. Plus 18 years. So they are asked not before, we are talking about before. So it is minus 6 and minus 6. So what is the age? What they have compared here? Hema was thrice as older as Damini. So here 3 times of Damini. She is older than 3 times of Damini. So by problem what we can write? We can write it as x plus 15 is equals to thrice of Damini. That is x minus 6. Okay, so now we can multiply. X plus 18 is equals to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 6 are 18. Now transpose the terms, bring this 3x to this side, send that plus 18 to other side. So it will be x minus 3x will be equals to minus 18, minus 18, minus 18. So x minus 3x will be minus 2x is equals to minus 18 will be minus 36. So here x minus minus will get cancelled. X is equals to 36 by 2. 2 ones are 2 18s are. So what is the x value here? 18. So what is the x here? X is nothing but Damini's age. So Damini is 18 years. And what is Hema? Hema will be 18 plus 24. That will be equals to 42 years. So this is our next solution. So remaining examples will continue in next class. Thank you.